YouTube Technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, today I have a TCL 10 Pro, and I want to just shout out TCL. Thanks for sending this device to me. You didn't have to, but you did. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'll show you around the phone and get this bad boy started. So I got my unboxing knife. Just gonna cut packaging, open a little bit here. I got this device in today. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay. So as you can see, plastic is off. First, let's look around the device. Take a look around the device. This is 6.47 inch FHD plus display. It is AMOLED. It has HDR10, a 64 megapixel camera, and it has 3 other cameras. It is 128 gigabytes of ROM, 66 gigabytes of RAM, a 4500 milliamp battery. Let's break the seal on the box. Hold on. Pretty excited about this. I wanted to check this device out, so pretty hyped. So let's open it. Oh, it's kind of hard to take off. Okay. It's on there tightly. Okay, so I'm gonna sit the box right there for now. So you are greeted with the lovely device. As you can see, I'm gonna sit that aside for now. So now let's see what we get in the box. You do get your SIM ejection tool. I don't know how well you can see that. And then in this pouch here, you get your case. I just messed that up. Okay. So you get instruction manual. I'm not gonna need it, but you get your instruction manuals. Then you get that case that says display greatness. You know it's okay. Next you get your wall adapter, charging plug. Let's see if we can get that charging plug right there. It says TCL. Then I'm not gonna open this because I have a lot of these charging adapters right now, but it's USB type C. It is right there, as you can see, USB type C. Okay, we're gonna put this aside for now. Put everything back in the box. Now, what you all been waiting for, it's time to unveil the device. So TCL makes TVs, makes nice display TVs, and they decided to jump into the cell phone game, and I'm happy they did. So first I'm gonna give you a quick walk around the device, because really this is just an unboxing and a walkthrough. I'm gonna come back with another video more in depth a little later after I play with the phone, put my SIMs in the device. But anywho, you get those 4 cameras on the back. Let me see if I can get it to focus for you. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. But you get the 4 cameras in the back. You get the 2 LED flashlight on there. You get that TCL logo. Get the gray color. It's the gray. That's the only color that they are sending out right now to as of review units to YouTube reviewers. They have a greenish one, but I have the gray one right here. On the front you get that teardrop notch. On the top here, what everybody is happy about, you get a headphone jack, IR blaster. I don't know how well you can see, the camera's picking that up, but you get an IR blaster. You get your, this is a button that lets you change things in your device, so I'm gonna call it like an active button. You get USB Type-C at the bottom. Right here you get your SIM ejection tray. I don't know how well this is picking it up. And you get a microphone. This don't have two microphones. It only has a microphone at the bottom. Right now it feels real light. I'm going to throw the case on there real fast. Boom. That's how the case will look on the device. I can already tell that this is going to be a tough one because it does not come with a screen protector. And as you know, since they're new to making devices, there are no companies making a lot of cases for this, and I doubt if there's a screen protector for this. Now, if you were to pick up the TCL 10, that comes with a pre-installed screen protector, but the TCL 10 Pro does not, and you have this curved display. So let's see if it has any juice, just so we can see the screen. And then that's going to be it for this video. So it says TCL, powered by Android. I can already tell you right now, this is a big device, but it's very thin. It is very thin. It's very thin, as you can see. Very thin. So let me see if it'll load. As you can see on the box, so that's loading. As you can see, it tells you about, you can see that it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, and it has the always on display, which is nice because this is a $450 phone. And heck, you're getting an in-display fingerprint reader, and you're getting always on display, so that's good. So this is what the device looks like when you turn it on. I'm not going to set it up yet, not on video. I'll do that off of video, and then I'll come back with another video. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.